Hello everyone! So nice to finally greet you all with this video. I hope you have a wonderful day within this holiday season. And as we prepare to enter a new year of 2025, I have two pieces of good news for you. The first one is the extension of the Bull Rush promo. Per 1st of January 2025, the Bull Rush promo will continue until the 31st of January 2025. So for those of you who haven't achieved the Bull Rush promo in the December 2024, you still have a chance to get this promo by sponsoring directly a 5 Pro package, and you can go to Thailand trip in May 2025. Remember, this is the last extension, so make sure you guys to watch this video, do your best to achieve it so we can go to Thailand together. The second good news that I want to share with you all is there's a new promo called Battle of the Bulls. This one is a bit different because this is related to the profit you all get in MoonBot. So from the 1st of January 2025, there's gonna be a new leaderboard in moonbot.id. This one gonna show you the report of the accumulation of profit from 3 months from January to March 2025. Top 5 in this leaderboard at the end of March will have a free trip to Thailand together in May. So make sure you prepare your best capital. Don't be afraid, 2025 gonna be a big year for crypto market. So do your best to win Battle of the Bulls. And also, for those of you who don't know, by end of year 2025, we all who achieve double executive rank gonna go a free trip to Europe. So make sure you all who watch this video, make sure you set your goals right. In May, we're gonna go to Thailand for those of you who achieve gold rank or achieve the Bull Rush promo or top 5 in Battle of the Bulls. And then in the end of year 2025, we're gonna go to Europe. So as long you use the momentum properly, as long you use the first 3 months in 2025 properly, you build your team, you work hard, I'm sure you're gonna get all the free trip, and you can not only go to the Thailand or Europe by yourself, but I hope you can go with all your teams. Lastly, I want to say thank you for your trust in 2024, and I hope your trust will be still there or even getting bigger in 2025, because MoonBot itself is gonna be a bigger company, bigger community in 2025. As you know, the crypto market will be very big in 2025. So make sure you guys utilize this year. If you utilize it right, this year gonna be the year you change your life. So let's do our best in 2025. Let's make it bigger. Let's make it stronger. And also lastly, I wanna say Merry Christmas 2024 for those of you who celebrate, and Happy New Year 2025. To the moon.